Do you want to double your cold email replies? It's simpler than you think. The secret isn't fancy templates or spammy tactics, it's personalization. Most cold emails fail because they're generic, but when you tailor your message to the recipient's needs, pain points, or recent achievements, your reply rate skyrockets. For example, mention a post they shared on LinkedIn or a challenge their industry is facing. This shows you've done your homework and care about helping them, not just selling. Ready to take your cold emails to the next level? Lead Magno has the tools you need to find and personalize leads effortlessly. With features like lead enrichment and AI-powered insights, you'll craft emails that stand out in crowded inboxes. Stop wasting time on low reply campaigns and start connecting with decision makers who actually respond. Visit leadmagno.com today and see the difference for yourself.